All right, guys. So I literally just woke up. I am shooting this on my phone. I'm not even going to bother getting the camera out and stuff because I'm not awake for all that. So I figured I just wanted to get this out. And this is just a little troubleshooting. But my computer is stuck at 57% of doing some sort of an update. Never had this happen before. But I want to walk you through some of the troubleshooting on this that we can do and see if it's just a simple reboot or we have to go deeper into this. But I have no option here. We have to take care of this.
No, hey, well, while I got you here, just down there, just a little bit, right under the video, you'll see you can subscribe. Go ahead and click that. And then afterwards, hit that bell icon. That way you can get notified for any future videos that I do post. And if you wouldn't mind supporting me a little bit more, hit that thumbs up button. That way I can continue making these videos that you all enjoy. So, see you around.
We are going to power this off forcefully and then back on. And let's see what we get. So I'm going to come down here to my PC, force it off. All right, screen went black. I'm going to turn it back on here. Now, because the hard drive really wasn't doing anything, we may be okay, especially being stuck this long. You can see it's actually booting up on this other side here. All right. So we may have been at a decent spot. Okay, now it's going to continue the updates again. So we may have not have been at a critical spot for some of the core components of Windows Update, and it may allow us to complete it now. So we are looking a lot better now, hopefully. All the data on the drives should be fine. It was just a Windows Update. So, I mean, Windows Update could get corrupt from what we're doing, but I have no choice. So it's either try that or we can load in a bootable rescue disk, or not rescue disk, but rescue thumb drive for Windows and go to the troubleshooter and all that. All right, looking pretty good. I will just pause it here and then I will restart it as soon as we get hopefully back into Windows. So we went into a thing here where it says cleaning up. The update said 100%. Now it's starting this cleanup. So I'm sure it is cleaning up some old files. This is what I'm guessing. Some old files that were trying to update but were unsuccessful. And it had to go over them again. That's just a pure guess, because I've never seen this cleanup. But as we can see, we are now loading into Windows. So, very exciting. All right, look at that. So after running the troubleshooter, this is kind of what it found for the report. Troubleshooting for Windows update here. And it found a problem with the bits service. So, anyway, it found something and it corrected itself, it looks like. So we are all set and we can close out of all this stuff and away we go. Now you guys know what to do if it's been sitting for a very long time. You're going to have to force your computer off, and you might even have to get a Windows recovery, so you would have to go and use another computer and a thumb drive. You go to Windows 10 or 11 for the Intel creation tool and use that. So you would have to boot into that and then use that for the troubleshooting. That's what you would have to do. That would have been my next step anyway. So anyway, take care.